Welcome to Operations with Self-Paced Training. Let's overview what are you about to do during this lab week in order to make your journey a little bit easier. First thing you need to do is configure your environment. Second step, of course, is to learn how to use mRemote-ng. We're going to use this tool quite a lot, so you need to be familiar with it. It allows you to connect to machines and execute commands and move files between them. For your ease, there is command line cheat sheet, which is basically a list of Linux, Kubernetes, and Docker commands that you might need during the course. And in order to stop browsing between all of the guides, you can just use this short section. Below it, you'll have a agent setup and everything related to it in terms of tasks. And then, of course, you progress to develop custom log policy and everything of this sort. Basically, you'll see the list of available exercises during this lab week. And at the bottom of the list, you'll see everything that is related to connectivity. Some exercises would require you to enter those details. For example, logging into master, which of course hosts OBM, BVD, and ITOM platform. And those are the application credentials and the host username and host passwords. Of course, for Windows machines, it's going to be administrator, and root for Linux machines. Now, you might notice that you're not required to log into all of the sessions, but some exercises would require the particulars of this section. Now, in order to perform the tasks listed here, you'll need to use the guide section. The guide section includes all of the exercises sequentially. Please make sure to do them one after another in a sequence that they're listed. There are dependencies, and missing a dependency would set you back a few hours. So please make sure that you follow them. And of course, the first exercise is agent setup, and you'll receive a AWS machine from your instructors at the beginning of the week, probably the one of your emails. Now, for theoretical overview, go to slides and you'll see that there is a lot of theoretical, theory-related slides. Some of them are for BVD, some of them for DSM, some of them are just for PM sessions that we're delivering during various lab weeks, the December and November timeframes. And it's just helpful. In the download sections, you'll find everything that is required in order to perform the exercises successfully. And we will be mentioning what asset is required and where you need to store it in order to use it during the exercise. So no need to go and download everything at once. Just wait for the mention of the file in the guide section and just download what you need from here. So when we refer to downloads, we refer to this section. Have a great week. Of course, remember to post your questions to LabWeek's Q&A, although we are encouraging you to do a little bit of an investigation on your own when you get stuck. The docs.microfocus.com section is very useful. And once you are stuck, please make sure to include a screenshot in addition to the description of the issue that you faced. It would allow us to understand where you're at and on what exercise you are and what is the expected result that we're going to fix. Right. Thank you and have a good week.